So this is Euro Pound analysis for Friday the 16th of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened in prices, where prices may likely go. So, previously we had prices hold the 88.51, from which we did see a retest of the 88.74, from which we did see another rejection. So we were within this tight trend range here on the euro against the pound. What we did see, we did mention in the previous video that in light of the series of lower highs more recently, we were looking for a possible break to the downside. We saw that break beyond this 88.51 and headed down towards that 88.20. Currently we're down at 88.20. There does appear to be a degree of bullishness so far. So if we can hold on to this 88.20, possibly looking for a retest of the 88.51 from underneath. Successful break from which we'll look to see if prices react around the 88.74, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average as well as the horizontal level, thus increasing the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum back down towards that 88.51, possibly down to that 88.20. If however we aren't able to hold 88.20 to the downside, the very next levels that we are looking at here on the charts are moves down towards that 87.83. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that 87.50. In around 87.50, possibly being the far end of the range to the downside here on the euro against the pound. And yep, with that said, that pretty much covers the euro pound analysis. We'll just have a brief look at the daily chart and just see how price is developing. So as we can see on this daily chart, ever since we did interact in around that 89.60s or so, we've been in a most recent trend has been to the downside. So didn't quite get up to 89.80, but ever since then we've come into the we've seen a lot of sell side momentum return to this market. So market does seem poised for further downside momentum, possibly down towards that major level of the 87.83. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.